If you're looking to become wealthy and financially free through property before your retirement, then this is the video for you. Now in this video, I'm going to take you through 2 super simple ideas to take you from where you are right now to a comfortable, financially free and wealthy future. Now the first idea I wanted to explain in this video today is how to become wealthy through property. We effectively go out there and we buy 3 houses worth 600K each. Now, for some of you, you might be able to do that in the next 12 months. For others, you might buy 1 property every 5 years, sit for a little while, and when you're ready to go again, buy again. But either way, once you've accumulated those 3 properties, you're going to be sitting on about $1.8 million. Now, if we do nothing but hold those 3 houses for the next 30 years, and they go up by an average of 5% per annum, we're going to be in a position where we've got $7,779,000 worth of property, and hopefully over that period of time, you've completely wiped the debt and you're sitting in an incredible position that's not only safe, but gives you plenty of choices in retirement and that stage of life when you really want that money coming through. But obviously, with moving towards the future that you're looking for, there's not just wealth that is important, but for many people, myself included, cash flow and the ability to have a passive income in the future and in retirement is extremely important. So with this simple idea, basically we go out there and we buy a $600,000 home and build a $200,000 granny flat, which is $800,000 that rents for around about $1,000 a week. Now, once we've done that and we've set and forget it, again, some of you might want to do it in the first year. Others might want to take a few more years until you're ready to do it again. But you go out there and you buy a second home, build a second granny flat, which is worth $800K, which rents for another $1,000 per week. Now, when we go $800K plus $800K, we're sitting on $1.6 million worth of property today. And if we go $2,000 a week times 50 weeks a year, we're sitting on $100,000 per year of rent return. Now, again, if we fast forward 30 years into the future and we look at the $1.6 million worth of property growing by 5% per year over 30 years, we're going to have just under $7 million worth of property, hopefully owned completely debt-free. And then if the $100,000 in rent per annum increases by just 2.5% per year for the next 30 years, we're going to have $209,000 per year of cash flow. Now, again, this isn't inflation adjusted, so it's going to be a similar amount to $100K per year in 30 years' time. But again, this is an incredibly comfortable retirement on top of your super, your stocks, your crypto, everything else that you want to do at that time. I think for most Australians, this would be an incredible and very achievable / simple way to start. Now, for those of you out there who like the idea of buying a small number of high quality single income properties that make you wealthy, or maybe this second idea with a couple of houses with granny flats to move you from where you are to where you want to be longer term, then I would love to offer you a one-on-one strategy session. Just jump over to www.pumkedonproperty.com and book that free session, and we can talk about where you are today, where you'd like to be via retirement. We can share these 2 simple ideas in more detail, plus a couple of other great ones, and then you can take that information and go and absolutely implement it and smash it on your own, or potentially you can become one of the extremely small number of clients that we work with each week. But either way, I really do want the best for you in your future. As someone that has 3 houses and 3 granny flats myself, I can say that as rent returns have kicked off in the last few years up here in Brizzy, it's been an incredible ride. I'm so grateful that I've got these assets because I know I'm not just going to be safe in my financial future, but my kids and their kids will be looked after as well. Whichever way you decide to go, I wish you absolutely all the best on your journey.
Woo! That's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Getting
That's
cool,
it.
bro. Yeah. Oh, sweaty. So sweaty. Oh, that's good. That's so nice, eh?